top 5 manual juicers in 2023. First up, we have the HKUTOTECH hand press juicer. Just look at this sleek design. It's perfect for those who want a blend of style and functionality in their kitchen. The ergonomic handle and durable materials make juicing a breeze. With a generous capacity, it's great for tackling large batches. But of course, every juicer has its pros and cons. Let's take a closer look. Next on our list is the GHIME hand press juicer. This one's all about simplicity and efficiency. The compact design makes it easy to store, and the hand press mechanism ensures you get every last drop from your fruits. Ideal for those who value ease of use in their kitchen gadgets. Now onto the specifics. We have the KWER handle juicer. This juicer takes a unique approach with its innovative handle design. It promises a comfortable grip and smooth operation. If you're looking for something a bit different, this might be the one for you. Let's break down the features. Now let's explore the Mempedont manual fruit juicer. This one caught our eye with its user-friendly setup and versatile functionality. From citrus fruits to pomegranates, it claims to handle them all. But as always, there are a few things to consider. Let's discuss. Last but certainly not least, we have the DELISOGA steel handle juicer. This one boasts a robust steel handle for added durability. It's all about strength and longevity. If you're looking for a juicer that can withstand some serious squeezing, you won't want to miss the details on this one. Comparing the top 5 manual juicers of 2023, now that we've explored each juicer, let's compare them side by side. From design to capacity and user reviews, we've covered it all. Remember, the best juicer for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Which juicer caught your attention? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 5 manual juicers of 2023. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow juice enthusiasts, and check out the description below for links to each juicer and additional resources. Subscribe for more content, and until next time, happy juicing!